Hello friends, this is Akash and this year we have created a new project idea with the collaboration of AK TechLab Solutions. We have created a smart robot which is capable of cleaning your household things. For example, this robot is created to do 4 different things. It can mop your room, it can provide a spray on your floor. With that we can use a vacuum cleaner with your robot, and with it we also can dry out the floor by using this exhaust fan. This multi-purpose mopping robot is based on AVR microcontroller. Here, please come here. To operate this robot, we have created an application which is created by ourselves. Here we have 10 different buttons: mopping on, mopping off, vacuum cleaner on, vacuum cleaner off, spray on, spray off, dryer on and dryer off. Now whenever we want to navigate this robot for navigation purpose, we have 4 buttons here, so we can move this robot in forward direction, backward direction, leftward direction and rightward direction. So this is what the application and its front end design which is we have created by using MIT App Inventor. Now I am going to provide you a demo of this. First we have to power on the power supply. Here we have used a different power supply. We have a separate power supply of lithium ion batteries. 3 lithium ion batteries is what we have used here to provide a power supply to your microcontroller board. With that, we have used a 12 volt single ampere battery power supply which is capable of providing power supply to your navigation motors, that is your DC gear motors. With that, DC fans, your mopping system and your water pump. Now one additional feature is also there in a robot. Whenever your robot is not doing any functionality and we are fixing that robot for a charging purpose, in that situation maybe in your house maybe fire is occurred, or maybe some situations are occurred where fire is not detected. In that situation we can detect the fire. For detection of fire we have used a flame sensor here also. So by simply detecting fire we can get the buzzer as an output here. Now as we have discussed about the working of it, now how to operate this robot. For operating this robot, we just have to connect it by using a connect button and interface it with by using SC05 module. Okay, now we have connected the robot. Robot is ready to operate. Now how to operate the robot? Just press forward to move the robot in the forward direction. Press backward to move it in the backward direction. Again, if you want to start mopping, just press the mopper on. And by using the mopper, we can clean the floor. So this is how mopper used to work. Rightward, leftward direction is there. On the forward, backward. Now, if we want to start the spray, just turn on the spray on. With that, if we want to start the vacuum cleaner, press the vacuum cleaner, and it is started. Watch this. Vacuum cleaner is started. Now if we want to clean the floor, by using the vacuum cleaner we can clean the floor. Similar like that. Now we are stopping every single thing. Dryer fan, just turn on the dryer fan. Now dryer fan is turned on, so we can dry out the floor which is clean just right now. So by using these fans we can dry out the floor. To turn off this, just press the turn off button, and you also can operate the robot again with a mopper. Just turn on the mopper and system is going to turn on. Thank you guys. This is what the demo of our project. If you like this